right, so we got Nicky Bobby here.
Delivering his new race car.
Yeah. How heavy is this stuff you got, Bobby? I got a 49, 59, 69.
That would be Johnny Cash.
That's how junkyards used to be. Well, actually, they didn't even be, they weren't this organized. They were just a whole bunch of random shit in the middle of a field. And Rick had a little mishap with the high-low yesterday. All right, we are going to do, or I am going to do, Cleetus and Cars here in a couple weeks, so May 14th. So the best vehicle I had to do an Aussie Burnout with that already had was my Trailblazer. So Trailblazer, we are making some slight modifications to it to take it there. LS2, Whipple in it, so 800 horsepower roughly, but done tons of burnouts and stuff with it. I've never done an Aussie Burnout. So in preparation, we're trying to make the Blazer still be a nice vehicle, hopefully when it's done. So we popped the rear bumper off because SS rear bumpers are hard to come by. So we're gonna head to the salvage yard, see if we can get another bumper, like a standard Blazer bumper or something to put on here. Hoping to do some fabricate like some tubing or something to maybe protect the quarter panels so that if, or maybe I should say when, I hit the wall with it, that hopefully we don't jack the whole back of the car up. So that's what we got going on today. We're gonna head to the junkyard. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, please subscribe too. I want to congratulate everybody on helping us get to 100K subscribers. So let's keep it going. Let's see what we can do. If you love the content, you love what we're doing, or even if you don't like it, subscribe anyway, because I appreciate it. All right, we're coming to you live from the pick and pull. So we're getting ready to do a project, or actually we already started a project that we're doing, and we had to come here to search for some parts. So places like this don't really exist anymore. Most of them, they disassemble these, they're on shelves, you ask for the stuff. Here we got the luxury of going around, finding what we want, taking it off. Aiden's got the fancy tool cart, parts cart, and we're gonna see if we can find some stuff for the Blazer. We need some stuff for a Mustang, and we need an Asto door. So,
Ready to rip? Thank you, Bobby. That's the only chunk you need?
That's the rear seat entertainment. Nice. Got a little hot in there. Or hairnet?
It's a hairnet.
It's black and it's...
Maybe we'll pop that one off. Let's see what other choices we have. That's kind of a go. Good thing is, none of these rear fascias that we've seen so far, they don't have any rust on them, so that's actually pretty good. Well, see, they gave us all the old ones, so we're not even looking for the right one. There's black, or is that dark gray?
Where?
Right here, second one. That bumper is sweet.
That one is in pretty good condition. That might be a...
That's mint.
That's 5 wheels right there.
That's mint. And I like the Envoy only for the fact that it doesn't have that stupid step bumper. That actually looks better than the factory Blazer bumper. Look at that door.
Why are we looking for a door for Milton's Astro van?
Video to come, but Rick had a little mishap with the high-low yesterday, so you'll get to see that video in here, but off the security footage. What the hell's wrong with it?
Derek would get this running right now.
Let's get it running.
No belt, no problem.
Yeah, screw it. Use your belt
no
on,
body
don't you?
damage on this thing.
Look, we could wrap it around there.
There's no body damage on it.
Well, back real good.
Slices his hand open.
Right. Here's where the blade breaks off and goes right in his hand. Make me a necklace.
Actually, we don't have to. We're just gonna heat it up real good, and then we'll just...
Oh, brand me.
We'll stick it right on there.
All of us have to get it right here, right now.
The Superman
Right
brand.
here, right now. Let's
Fire it up. Let's fire up that Volvo.
We'll
Put it by the exhaust.
Cool off your wound in that.
Just face down.
Look at that. It's like a rainbow.
Dang, this car is missing a whole
damn,
half
this
side.
boy's got the whole side gone.
My God, Terry.
Damn.
Somebody needed a car.
That would be sweet as if Milton's door on his van looked like that when Rick was done with it. Look, the door still kind of works.
Airbags are still good. You just have except the...
That's the wiper thing.
They're trying to get rid of the squealing. All right, I guess we're to that dark green one. It's over there. We got to pick up the cart from Milt.
Where's the chariot at?
Picked up some accessories at the You Pull and Save, right? Yeah, look at. I'm gonna try this on the way out, see if it still works. It's a damn Visa.
Oh, sweet.
No, I got you covered.
Sweet. It's all on Vincent Marble.
He said it's cool. I called him.
Well, it says $75, so I don't think we're covered.
I know, but do you think we're gonna spend more than that here?
Can you read it better with those on?
It's like I'm drunk.
You can reach your hand. There's
just
like a
reach it.
big metal plate there.
Yeah, I know. That's why that one's kind of ass.
Okay, then.
Pick up my phone. The wires on the lights. We got everything?
And two turn
Two
signals.
turn signals. There's our goods. $115 later. Oh yeah.
Coming in at what? 150?
Well,
That's what
not-
Aiden said you
hopefully
said
not
was
into the
150.
wall. Hopefully not into the wall of the 150. Hopefully it's slower.
But
by
I
the hits the
know,
wall.
okay, do you have much experience at this come flying in trick, or are we gonna need to like back half the whole car when you're done?
Nope.
Because, yeah. I took out the entire driver's side and didn't even touch the bumper to put on.
It's got the self-closing hatch.
Right.
The chances of this hitting is very unlikely. More than, I mean, where it's going to hit would be my guess.
Is the front
Is this
or the roof? You know damn well it's where it's gonna be.
Did you look at those headers to see how we were going to?
I have not done nothing of the sort. So.
Oh, hey. It's kind of cozy down under here. I can't wait to hear this plan. He has like 4-inch zoomies kicking out that are just monsters. Are we still gonna do the propane thing? Or did you can that?
We bring it across enough that we come forward with it as it's coming. That way we're right there by that fender, and then we can at least tip it up on like 45 or something, just to face it upwards a little bit.
I do love the complexity of your ideas. 'Cause now we gotta go backwards with it. Get it up to the front.
Oh, you know what might be cool?
Side pipes, dude.
Yes.
Side pipes would be killer.
That'd be sweet. Nobody's had a Blazer with side pipes.
No.
Nobody's had a Blazer with fender exits either, but
Here's your side pipes. And then you could kick it out. Not up, but it would go out. This makes the side pipes a little sweeter. But this is only 3-inch, I think.
yeah, it looks like 3.
Trucker, we could go get 5.
Then it would just drag on the ground.
It'd be shooting
You'd have
sparks.
sparks. All right, that's the dilemma. That's why we're at the junkyard, because getting a different bumper, for the fact that, like you saw us just talk about, we're trying to figure out. I've never done the Aussie Burnout stuff, so because the hope is that it's still of value when it's done. But so we got a bumper cover off a GMC Arcadia or something. I don't even know. The GMC version of it doesn't quite fit, so we'll see. We'll see what we come up with on the back of this, but that's the idea. We're getting this ready for Cleetus and Cars May 14th, so we got a couple weeks to get this thing wrapped up and ready to go there. LS2 with a Whipple on it. I've had this thing for years. It literally, I don't know, I beat this like a dog that just shit in your pathway when you're walking to the bathroom. So it's been abused. It's been through a lot of burnout tires. It's been through a lot. Lots of belts have been thrown off this thing. So hopefully it'll still hold up. But I kind of can't get rid of the truck because I'm afraid it's going to blow up at any minute. So I don't want to sell it to somebody and then it blow up on them. So that's the immediate deal that we're working on. The Impala is getting close to getting out of here. That is Jason Sack's father-in-law's car, so we've had that in here for a while working on that. We got Kyle's Mustang that hopefully is leaving here in a couple days. Cage is done, it's just got to get certed, then that'll be out of here. Just trying to give you updates on things. But Kyle's car, they were supposed to come do the chassis cert today. He was a no-show, so now he's supposedly going to come tomorrow, but get that done. Bob did the chassis upgrade, so this is up to a 750 cage now. Kyle showed a picture on his Facebook page or Instagram, so I think he's got the drivetrain and stuff ready to go, so he'll probably be out with that shortly. But once it gets back to him, he should get put back together. But I mean, we did a bunch of stuff on the back of the car, mini tub did, cage, remount his stuff. Aiden's Cars in the lead to kind of tore apart. We got there's a couple bodies for it. We have a Pontiac 57 wagon body sitting at Dennis, so when he comes for something with the Impala, he's got two sitting there. We got a 57 Chevy wagon from Arizona, got delivered to Minnesota. We got the 57 Pontiac wagon that Dennis went and picked up in South Dakota and brought back to Minnesota. So hopefully in the next month, those will be here, and maybe we'll be done with some of the stuff in the shop, and then we can start getting on this rebuild. But that's the status of Aiden's car. So the Haas, everybody's been asking about the Haas. So we've got a video coming out on the Haas with an update on that. That hopefully will be next week's video if we can get that content together, give you the update on the Haas and where that stuff's at. 2.0 still in Florida. Hopefully going to go get that here this weekend or so, bring it up, get some testing stuff done with it. 1.0, we're going to take the Cleetus and Cars as well in Indy. So a couple minor changes to that, but for the most part, like you saw in the last video, it's ready, drivable. Like, I mean, everything's good with it all back together. So really not much to do there. We're going to change the if you saw me post about the excess battery delivery, so I'm going to change that over to the same system that I'm running in the in 2.0, which is basically a 14 volt system that for cranking the car and stuff like that. Plus power to the coils is better because now we run at 16 volts all the time rather than 14.5 volts. It's 16.5 volts, but on the running condition, 14 volt power setup, so the batteries will be 14 volt instead of 12. So that's kind of the hodgepodge of stuff that we got going on at the shop right now and where we're at to give you guys the updates you guys have been asking for. All right, so we got Nicky Bobby here.
Delivering his new race car.
Yeah.
He's taking a back seat. He's letting me drive the car from now on, and I'm gonna haul him around in this.
So now Mac Fabworks makes these custom trailers for your golf carts. So if we're getting around the pits, because there's a whole bunch of wannabes, so figure that all the keyboard warriors can ride on the trailer behind the golf cart because they don't know enough to even drive the golf cart. So therefore they can just ride along.
Yep. I actually made this one custom where the seats fold down, and it's the same size hitch that's on my race car, so I can just pull him along. After he blows up the first day, I'm just gonna start pulling him along for the ride.
So yeah, I actually just pull this along on drag and drive events. Catch people on the side of the road, you just pick them up.
Oh my god.
Put them in their seatbelt.
That would be hilarious.
That actually would be a good trailer, come to think of it.
Yeah, you could make the center of it storage and then pull your wheels up here.
Well, that's actually, you can have a whole pit crew now, because as long as they ride with you, it never said they have to ride in the car, they just had to not be in a separate vehicle.
Yeah, you're allowed to.
There you go. Actually, yeah, we just unlocked the key to drag and drive in the future. It is a tag-along trailer brought to you by Mac Fabworks.
You like to think Coors Light, since they can't get Yingling in Michigan. He sold me a forklift, and I already got it stuck once. But he let me use this fancy trailer, so I picked this up for him on the way back. And I didn't break anything. Nothing got broke or damaged. Nothing fell off that I know of. So it's kind of like a record for me. It's been a good week so far, and it's only Monday. Brave man.
The hood didn't fly off the trailer. Like it's all still there.
I didn't think you were really that worried about this thing making it to Fort Wayne. I got to Fort Wayne, I sent him a picture of another car. He goes, wait, so you made it? Like, oh, I didn't know it was that big of a deal.
It's already autographed and everything.
Dude.
I got the best thing here today.
Sweet.
Engine's still in it. They moved it back too for weight transfer.
Custom paint. Milk! Damn, filthy. Oh, somebody already took the door.
Of Range Rovers way at the other end that are like nice. We should make like an off-road race vehicle or something. That'll be another project.